Good morning, students. Today we will study some methods of separation. So let's start. The first method of separation is hand picking. Hand picking is the method of separation in which we use to separate the different components with the help of our hands. Right? The method of hand picking can be used to separate slightly larger sized impurities like the pieces of dirt, stones and husk from wheat, rice or pulses. Fine. So the stone from the grains and the pieces of dirt from the grains, they are separated with the help of hand picking. Hand picking, it is a very simple method of separation, right? As you can see here in this diagram, this person is separating some impurities, which we can say some stones or pieces of dirt from the grains with the help of his hands. So such a method is known as hand picking. Now next method is threshing. So threshing is the method which is used to separate the grains from the stalks, or we can say the stems of the plant. Stalks are the stems of the plant in which the grains are present, right? So the grains are separated from the stalks with the help of threshing. The different stems of plant, they are first dried in the sunlight, and after that the bundle of the stalks is collected and it is beaten so that the grains, they are separated from the stalks. तो stalks में से जो grains होते हैं वो separate out हो जाते हैं. So this method is known as threshing. In earlier times, threshing was done with the help of hands. But nowadays, threshing is done with the help of machines. Right? When the amount of the grains are large, then we will do the threshing with the help of machines. Now next method is winnowing. Winnowing, it is a method of separation which is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by blowing wind or by blowing air. So when we separate the heavy and the lighter components of a mixture with the help of wind or air, blowing wind or air, it is called winnowing. So here you can see in this diagram, this woman is separating the grain, the husk from the grains. Because husk, it is lighter, whereas the grains are heavy. So all the grains will collect here, and the husk, with the help of blowing air or wind, it will blow to one side and it will collect here. Okay? हस्क जो होगा हल्का होता है, जिसको हस्क को हम क्या बोलते हैं, भूसा जो होता है ग्रेन्स पे, इट इज वेरी लाइटर. हल्का होने के कारण, हवा के कारण उड़कर ये साइड में यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हो जाता है. सो इन दिस वे वी विल गेट grains and husk separated from each other. So this method is known as winnowing. Winnowing can also be used to separate a mixture of sand and sawdust, or we can say a mixture of sand or powdered dry leaves, because the sawdust or leaves, powdered dry leaves, they are lighter in weight, whereas sand is heavy in weight. Fine. So we can separate the mixture of sawdust. Sawdust मतलब होता है लकड़ी का बुरादा. जो बुरादा होता है, आपने कारपेंटर को अगर कभी अपने घर पे काम करते हुए देखा होगा, तो वहां पे हमें बहुत सारी डस्ट देखने को मिलती है. पाउडर लाइक डस्ट होती है, which is obtained from the wood. So that dust is known as sawdust. So a mixture of sawdust can be separated from the sand with the help of method of winnowing. Okay, student? So when we use our hand to separate the mixture, that method is known as hand picking, and it is generally used when the size of impurities is large. We use the method of threshing for separating the grains from the stalks, right? And we use the method of winnowing to separate the heavy and lighter components of a mixture. And these components, they are separated with the help of wind or blowing air, right? Now the method of winnowing, it is generally used by the farmers. और यहाँ पे जो हमें हस्क मिला है, जो हमें अलग कलेक्ट हो गया है हस्क यहाँ पे, this husk is used as a fodder. Fodder means चारा, ठीक है? और चारा कौन खाता है? कैटल्स खाते हैं, जिसमें कि हमारे पास काउ, buffalo, goat. Okay, so this husk can be used for the cattles as a fodder, right? Fodder means chara. So these were the different methods of separation. In our next class, we will be studying about some more methods of separation. So see you in the next class. Thank you for watching this video.